Morning. Gonna call the IRS here as we have a October 19th deadline, and they say to call here. Lots of issues. So let's see if we click on this. I'm wondering if I should call Senator Kamala Harris first. Good, we're getting a free call notice here. Got the double calling still.
May I help you?
Hi, is this the tax court?
Yes, may I help you?
My name is Stephen Wilner. I'm the petitioner for docket number 6574-18, I believe.
Sir, did you have a question?
Yes, ma'am, I have lots of questions. Who am I speaking to, please?
Miss Harris?
Miss Harris. On September 13th, you sent me a letter, and I want you to take legal notice and an offer of proof that I filed years ago to get a meeting with the IRS with Marcia Montag on the pending
Sir, this
charges.
docket number isn't correct. Can you spell your last name so I can pull up the correct docket number?
Oh, there ain't nothing right about this case, ma'am.
Can you spell your last name?
Wilner, Wilner.
First name?
Stephen.
First name, sir?
Stephen.
Stephen Wilmer?
Wilner, Wilner.
Yeah, I said Stephen is the first name.
Yes.
I'm not showing a docket for Stephen Wilmer.
Well, I don't know what to do then. It's pretty much like all my issues with the government.
Okay,
The webmaster sent me a letter on September 7th.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Hi, my name is Stephen Wilner. Who am I speaking to, please?
My name is Justine Miles.
Shasine?
Justine.
Jessine?
Yes.
And the last name?
Miles. Miles.
M-I-L-E. Miles, okay. I was talking to the other lady. I am trying to respond to a... Now, first of all, your webmaster sent me email. Is that legal?
Yes, it is. If you're signed up for electronic service.
Well, no, because we have...
Okay. Do you have a case with the tax court?
It's a mess, young lady. Okay, so I gave her a docket number 6574 in this email of September 13th. It says Wilner dash 6574 dash 18.
6574. What's the year?
Dash
It should be
18.
dash 18.
Yeah.
Okay.
They sent me a PDF, and it says amended petition.
Okay.
Now I wrote
You have an order for an amended petition, correct?
I have an order for amended petition.
Yes.
Okay. This thing is all messed up. Like all my. Do you know Senator Kamala Harris?
I can't understand what you're saying.
Do you know Senator Kamala Harris?
No, I don't.
Okay. She is a United States Senator. She is
Okay.
my elected representative.
Okay.
I've called her office numerous times. They told me they will get back to me. When I ask them when, they tell them they will get back to me. But
Okay.
I don't have the luxury of being a senator and having a lot of benefits for life, I think. And there's laws and rules that you want me to follow, and then there's big penalties for not following them. I believe I do not owe you any money. Take legal notice and an offer of proof that I do not owe you any money. Now, I know I'm supposed to follow, but I'm a disabled individual. I'm bipolar and I have problems.
Okay.
So I'm requesting accommodations under the Americans with Disabilities Act. You've been very kind, but this is all, I want to say effed up, but then people get all upset and then they hang up on me and then we have big problems. So I can't be myself. I don't have First Amendment rights and I don't know what the hell else is going on.
Okay. Well, first of all, this notice wasn't issued to you by the tax court. The reason you're in the tax court is because you sent documents to the tax court.
Yes.
Okay? The tax court does not know your intent, so we file this as an improper petition. And if your intent is to dispute the notice that was issued to you by the IRS, then you need to send those forms back to the tax court. That's the only way the tax court gets involved is if you filed something with the tax court.
Well, we have it's bigger than that. Jess, what was your last? Jess, what?
Miles.
Just Miss. I'll call you Ms. Miles. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay, and you can call me anything you want. You can call me Steve. You can call me anything you want.
Okay.
Okay. So I hired a lady, Janethan Allen. She's an accountant and a attorney. We have a billing dispute that's been going on forever. And she doesn't do what I think she should do, but I'm not paying her any money like I'm not paying you any money. Okay?
I mean, you don't owe it to us. You owe it to the IRS. We're not the IRS. We have nothing to do with the IRS. We're two separate agencies.
That's my problem with the government. I have a Thai wife, and all these rules and all these agencies, I call it Catch-22. I call it Drain the Swamp. I call it all that stuff.
Okay.
So it's over my head. I just turned 66 the other day. And then they sent me now my Social Security's all screwed up. Something's changing there. I'm sure they'll probably stop my checks. So I don't know what the hell to do. I'm in Thailand. I can't come home and get the paperwork. I just printed this out. The printer's a little been sitting for a while. It doesn't print very good. Have all kinds of problems, young lady, but they're my problems. I own them. I want to pay my fair share, but I'm going to be like the Americans. That's what I am. And when we left Britain, taxation without representation, and I am feeling that immensely, and I'm very disgusted, and all I get to do is vote, and I can't even vote because I can't even go home because I have made up my mind as an American to bring my wife to America. And we have a village ceremony only because I'm trying my damnedest to follow the friggin' rules. But it's so fucking messed up. It just is. It makes me want to kill myself.
Well, I mean, I don't know if that's a good excuse to do that, but I mean,
no, because I already did it once. I did it once. When the cops were knocking on my door and I didn't do shit wrong. All I want to do is see my children. I'm not going back to jail anymore. You can jail me. You can do whatever you want, but I will do death by cop. I will fight. I will resist, and I will die. I just like to give Patrick Henry. Give me liberty or give me death.
Okay. Can I get you to calm down for a minute and listen to what I have to say?
Certainly. If you're reasonable and you're nice, but you could be an asshole. I don't care.
Well, I mean, now we're having a decent conversation at this point, so let's not resort to
Well,
that.
no, you don't know my problems.
But
You don't know my problem. It's 11 o'clock at night.
but
I have to
hold
stay up
on,
all
hold
night.
on. I thought you were going to listen to what I had to
I'm
say.
sorry. It frustrates me. Yeah.
I listen to you. I need you to listen to me.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
So your problem isn't with the tax court. We're trying to assist you in the matter. So in order for us to do that, those forms that were sent to you will have to be sent back to the court. Otherwise, we can't get involved in the matter.
You told me
If
that you sent me paperwork.
Hold.
You
See,
sent-
you're not listening. You want
Okay.
to cut me off and you're not listening. So if you're going to listen, then I can help you with this.
No,
But if you're not going to listen,
the lady at, I just went to the embassy in Macau, a special, she came over from Hong Kong, and I was recording the call, and as soon as we sat down, she says, for my privacy, I don't want to be recorded. So now everything I told her is her word against mine. And guess who gets screwed? I'm tired of getting screwed by the government.
well, we're not trying to screw you. We're trying to assist you in the matter. And the only way to do that...
Okay, get the IRS on the phone. Get the IRS, because I've called them, and they hang up on me every friggin' time.
Okay, but I can't get the IRS on the phone.
Well, I called my senator. I'm telling you my story. In fact, I would broadcast it over the internet on YouTube Live if you wouldn't hang up on me and you would give me your permission.
No, I'm not going. I'm not allowing you to put me on YouTube with a conversation. No, I'm not allowing you to do that.
Is that legal or illegal?
It's illegal if I say no.
So how do we fix that problem? Same as IRS versus not your job, not your job, not your job. And when I call Senator Kamala Harris, her fucking office hangs up on me every fucking time.
Well, I mean, I have nothing to do with the senator.
Well, no, but Donald Trump. If I call Donald Trump, Donald Trump will give me a fucking answer.
The reason why everyone's hanging up on you is because of the language that you're using.
Oh, come on, be an adult. How old are you? I'm 66. People have told me stuff.
I'm 56, but I don't go around using the F-bomb to everybody and telling them they're this, that, and the other.
Okay, do whatever you like. I don't tell you how to. It's America. You can do whatever you want.
You have to be nice to people.
I don't believe that theory. I will help people if they're mean to me and whatever.
Okay, so let me tell you the next theory. If you can't have a decent conversation, I'm going to end the call. I'm going to hang up on you as well.
That's your right in America. I'll just play the YouTube video.
America, and I'm about to do my rights. Bye.
Bye. So did I break the law, people, or not break the law? She was very nice, but it's the same old shit. That's their fucking excuses. Same as at least with the Apple person, or the Apple person. He's going to get back to me yesterday. Still no fucking thing. And then I watched a video on Apple today that they're just fucking people for money. It's all about the money. I don't want to turn loose my money. It is what it is. So share this video. Nobody's watching. Nobody's seen it. They're probably burying it. They're probably fucking me over. I was going to go over this video. Let's see if my sister answers. Oh, might as well call Kamala Harris too, since I'm all revved up. Ah, fuck. Yeah, she's there and it's not there. See, how come that happens? Is let's do it this way: 6 1 9 8 5 1 6 7 7 1. Still doing double. They didn't even find my case. She didn't. We never even got that fucking resolved.
Hi, you've reached Marcia Montag. I'm away from my phone, so please leave a message at the tone. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Marcia Montag, this is Steve Wilner. Recorded call, YouTube video live. That's under my other email, the new old Steve Wilner or whatever it is. Hopefully you can find it. It should be posted on Facebook if it uploads. There's the last one, the 1 hour conversation from you and Jessica Couch is giving me upload problems. Somebody is messing with my phone and doing all my shit, and then it is what it is. Got a two-sided forum too. I was talking to them about that. So tax court, October 19th, I will file the fee. I demand that you be there. I will post whatever paperwork I got, but they can't even find the fucking paperwork. So they'll delay, deny, and intentionally interfere like you. Seems to be the standard operating procedure. Where's your lawyer you threatened me with? Get the fucking lawyer. Let's get this done. So I'm going to call Kamala Harris under the same thing here, and Jonathan Allen. I think I didn't hang up yet. Okay. Jonathan Allen.
Thank you for your call. Please press 1 to be connected to the party you're calling.
Still don't know why that is. Oh, will you record this so I'm not recording it, please?
What?
You record so I'm not recording.
Thank you for calling offices of Allen Barron Inc. and Jonathan L. Allen APC.
It's the same.
Our office hours are 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please leave a message and get back to us as soon as possible. Thank you again for your call. We look forward to speaking with you very soon. Please hold a moment.
That is so friggin' weird.
Thank you for calling the offices of Allen Barron Inc. and Jonathan L. Allen APC. Our office hours are 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please leave a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you again for your call. We look forward to speaking with you very soon.
Just like everything else in your office, or you're busy and it's covering, but your messages make no sense, just like your paperwork and everything else. Still waiting for the disputed bills, and I'm still waiting for you to take me to the bar to resolve that. I just had a conversation with the tax court. They're referring me back to the IRS. And I'm still waiting for your position on that. That's what I hired you for. We have $6,000 worth of disputed bills, but no work on this. I've been doing all the work on this. And want to know your legal position. Did you bill me for the last call when we had Marcia Montag and Clive Twyman and myself on the phone? What's the status of that? What's the status of all this stuff? You're delaying, denying, and intentionally interfering with me. You're a lawyer. You should know that that's illegal. You should be mitigating damages. I want to know your legal position, and I want to get to a judge and a jury and a court and get this resolved immediately. You gave me proposals on the phone in the 1 hour conversation, but I haven't got the transcript. You're doing everything in your power to hurt me and doing nothing to help me. Or if your position is different than that, please state it immediately. And I'd like it, but in front of people that have your bar certified. You have a legal, ethical, and moral responsibility that I don't think you're complying with. and I'd love to hear your position and put it in writing, and so I can take it to wherever it needs to go to get this resolved, because it's been dragging on and on and on and on. You're going to blame me for not getting this stuff. I told you about the visas it revolved, taxation without representation, Marcia Montag and all the fiduciary responsibilities, and then her last call was just pure bullshit, where she told me she wants the unit number 13 and not Escondido. So that just doesn't
You have
jive with
reached
anything.
recording limit. To review your message, press L. To erase the message you recorded,
I just
press
hit 1.
E. To erase, that is an invalid entry. To review your message, press L. To erase the message you recorded, press E. To erase and re-record your message, press R. If you are satisfied with your message, press the pound key. Ready.
Ready what?
The message has been sent.
Thank you for calling the offices of Allen Barron, Inc. and Jonathan L. Allen, APC. Our office hours are 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please leave a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you again for your call. We look forward to speaking with you very soon.
Please hold a moment.
Thank you for calling the offices of Allen Barron, Inc. and Jonathan L. Allen, APC. Our office hours are 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please leave a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you again for your call. We look forward to speaking with you very soon.
So I got another beep. We're back in the circle. Please call Steve Wilner or email me immediately.
To review your message, press L. To erase the message you recorded, press E. The message has been sent.
Thank you for calling the offices of Allen Barron, Inc. and Jennifer. Thank you for your call. Please press 1 to be connected to. Thank you for calling the offices of Allen Barron, Inc. and Jonathan L. Allen, APC. Our office hours are 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please leave a message and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you again for your call. We look forward to speaking with you very soon.
Please hold a moment.
Obviously, it's fucking broken. Try the other one.
The number you have dialed is not in service. Please check the number and try again.
don't answer the phone right now. Get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.
At the tone, please record your voice. Or finished recording, you may hang up or press pound for more options.
Hey, Clive, see if you can find my video. I'm going to post it on Facebook and Twitter and all those places, and YouTube, my YouTube channel, if you can find it. It's on my new phone, so it gets there's two accounts. You got the old email and the new email. Still, everything's all fucked up. Saw an interesting article on Apple today on the news too. Well, I see lots of interesting shit every day. Talk to you later. Bye.
To send your message, press 2. To re-record, for more 4. To cancel, press star.
Why was that all fucked up?
To send your message, press 1 at any time. To listen to your message, press message sent. Thank you for calling. Good.
Okay, and Kamala Harris. So gotta go. And the other day it said call the San Francisco office now, so they changed everything around. Oh, did you hear about the Dianne Feinstein thing, people? That was very interesting. Doing some weird stuff. T-Mobile's coming in here now.
Thank you for calling the office of United States Senator Kamala D. Harris. We welcome your calls and opinions. If your message is regarding casework assistance, please call our office back between the hours of 8:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m., or leave a message with your name, contact information, and a brief description of your request. If you're leaving a message regarding a specific issue, we would like to remind you that you may also leave a comment for Senator Harris on our website at www.harris.senate.gov. If you would like to leave a message, please include your name, zip code, contact information, and a brief description of what your call is in regard to. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Stephen Wilner. I'm doing YouTube live right now. I'm still waiting to hear from you. You should have all my information. 858-848-5352, 858-848-5352. I copy you on all my emails to caseworker, as you said. I'm calling the San Francisco office. It used to be the LA office. I'm so terribly confused. But I guess Kamala Harris is doing other things like running for president in 2020 rather than taking care of her duties now. But she might look at it differently, but I sure as hell don't. So I'd love to have a conversation with her for about 5 or 10 minutes as a constituent. Or she could delegate the chief to one of her people and get back to me with some kind of way to do that. But other than that, I think we have taxation without representation, and that's one of the many issues that are ongoing. Please give me a call. stevew407@gmail.com is my email address. My zip code is, where do I reside? That's a good question. Everybody's asking it. So maybe I have a new if I'm changing my residence, but I'm in Thailand, can't come home. I need a visa, and that's the biggest issue, which has been going on for almost a year now. That you guys will get back to you. The big question I would ask everybody and publish on the internet is when. I think anybody that runs an efficient business or whatever you do, whatever you call your job, would say when we would get back to you, or especially with a staff as large as you have so many people, but you have so many constituents, so I guess you got excuses, same as me. Please call me back ASAP, but it's 11 o'clock at night in Thailand. I'm in Thailand right now, but I am one of your constituents. Okay.